The 12 English tenses and their structures. Past tenses, tense, structure, past simple, subject plus verb past form, past continuous, subject plus was, were plus verbing form, past perfect, subject plus had plus verb past participle, past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus verbing form, present tenses, tense, structure, present simple, subject plus verb base form, present continuous, subject plus am is are plus verbing form, present perfect, subject plus has have plus verb past participle, present perfect continuous, subject plus has have plus been plus verbing form, future tenses, tense, structure, future simple, subject plus will plus verb base form, future continuous, subject plus will plus be plus verb ing form, future perfect, subject plus will plus have plus verb, past participle, future perfect continuous, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verbing form.